This is a Swiss Army knife, one of the most recognizable multi-tools in the world, designed to combine multiple functions into a compact pocket-sized form. But this one is in terrible condition. Rust, dirt, and years of construction have completely seized the mechanism. None of the tools can be opened, so today we're going to restore it. As always, we start with a full disassembly. Due to heavy corrosion, the pins are extremely difficult to remove. Nothing comes apart easily. But eventually the entire knife is fully disassembled. So we begin with cleaning. First, use a small brush to remove surface rust and debris. Then all the parts are placed into a glass container with rust remover. After soaking, the surface already looks much better. Since the material of the knife is still in good condition, we only need to clean it thoroughly with soap before moving on to light sharpening and refining. Now you can clearly see the marking. Victorinox Swiss-made stainless. Next we move on to the outer scales. The plastic scales are quite dirty, so they are cleaned first. Then we use fine sandpaper, around 800 to 1000 grit, to refine the surface. After that, a light coat of clear finish is applied to restore the red outer scales. One of the internal components is damaged, so it needs to be repaired. Next, new pins are made, since the original ones are too short to reuse. Now it's time for reassembly. Piece by piece, the knife is put back together. Each layer must be aligned exactly for the mechanism to function properly. This takes time. Even require a second look at the original disassembly to make sure everything is in the correct position. Before finishing, the blade is sharpened. Then, a small modification is added. A used lighter still has a functional flint, so it is integrated into the knife as a hidden feature. Finally, everything is assembled, and just like that, this Swiss Army knife is fully restored. From a completely seized tool to a smooth and functional multi-tool once again. What do you think? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.